Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning and good evening, guys. Yeah, very good morning. Let's start. Okay. Uh, the next concept, the last concept in Git, that is tags. Okay. What is the use of tags, guys? You give the Git log. Okay. You can see here tags. You can see. Sorry, the IDs, commit IDs, then the log you can see here, right? So we cannot remember the commit IDs, right? It's impossible to remember the commit IDs. Okay. So and every time if you want to use the commit ID, I have to copy and I have to paste it, right? So that is also lengthy process. So instead of that, for easy and quick access, we'll use the tags here. We'll use tags. Uh, how to create tags? So we have a command here, git tag name. So tag name I'm taking here. Suppose so um, production, like this will be there in the real time production 1.4, like that, production 1.1. The tag name I'm taking as a 1.1 here. Okay, so I created the tag here. Now see, you can see the list of tags also here. Git tag means it will show you the list of tags, like how it is showing the branches. Git branch means it will show you the list of branches, right? The same. Okay, so I created the tag. See, normally we think first we will create the tag and after that we will assign the tag to the commit ID, right? But that is not the case here. It's already by creating the tag only it assigned also. To which commit ID it assigned? Git log. If you see, it assigned to the latest commit ID. Tag assigned to the latest commit ID. Okay, so why they're giving like this means normally we will commit, right? We'll create a file in working and we move to staging and finally we will commit, right? So once we commit, immediately if you want to give a tag for that commit ID, then you can give git tag name. So obviously it will go and assign to the latest commit ID only. For that purpose they give. Okay, immediately you will get a doubt here. What about specific? I mean, if I want to specify a tag for this commit ID, then how? Yes. So we can specify also how. For particular commit ID also we can assign a tag. How? So see, git tag name I'm taking as a production 1.2, right? Any name I can take here, but in the real time the tags will be like this development production, something will be there. So here so I'm copying this one, copy, and I'm pasting it. So, okay, so git tag name, and for which commit ID? For this commit ID, hit enter. Now if you go and see git tag, see list of the tags, it will show you like this. And if you go and see the git log, you can see the log like this. See, the tag is assigned to this commit ID. So like this, so by default it will assign to the latest, and you can specify which commit ID you want to assign the tag. Okay, so now I want to access. Now we have the tags we assigned, right? I want to access with the tag name instead of commit ID. How? If you remember, wherever you want, wherever you are using the commit ID, in that place you can call tag message. That's it. Suppose if you take one example, in the log management, I gave one command, right? Git show hyphen stat. Stat means statistics of the commit ID. Git show hyphen stat, and which commit ID statistics you want to see. This commit ID statistics I want to see. So for that, what I have to do? So I have to call this one row 1.2. See, instead of copying and pasting the commit ID, I'm using the tag messages now. See. So inside this, we have Apple file. In that, one action is there. Okay. So like this, you will get here. Okay. Here we can give not only tags, tag messages also we can pass here. For the tags, you can pass tag messages also. How to pass tag messages? Means, let's go. Git tag. While creating the tag only, you have to pass the tag message here. Git tag. The tag name I'm taking this time production 1.3. Okay. And here for this tag name, we have to so production 1.3 and -m. The message also I'm passing. The message. Like how we are passing that commit message with -m attribute. The same. The message. This is a tag message, not a commit message. This is a tag message. Okay. So this is 1.3 tag message, something I get. Okay. Okay. Now, if you go, if I'm giving only the tag means it will give you only the tags. It will give you only tags only here. But now I gave tag message also for the production 1.3 tag. See, 1.3 tag also create. So I want to see this message also. I want to see the message git tag -n will be there, guys. -n means number of lines, tag message lines you want to see. If you give -n means all the lines it will give. Okay. Git tag -n and which tag message you want to see. So production 1.3 tag message I want to see. See, you can see the tag message. So this is the tag and this is the tag message. So here -n, instead of -n, you can give, I mean, a number also you can give. Suppose if the tag message having 10 lines, you want to display 5 lines. Okay, so 5n you can give -5n. If you're giving only n means, all the lines. Anyway, we have only one line, so that line is. So why I gave this one means git tag -n. Tag message also I want to see. That's why I give -n. Messages also. For which tag? This tag. Suppose.
So how do you give lines like -n and 5 or 3 or 2 like that?
Yes, 5n, 5 lines, 5 10n, like that also you can give. If your the tag message is 5 lines, you can give, in that 5 lines you want 3 lines, you can give 3 lines or 5. Instead of 5, you can give only n only. Anyway, it will take all.
Okay.
So here I am particularly filtering this third tag, 1.3 tag. I am particularly filtering. But if you give like this git tag -n, it will give you all the tags and the tag messages as well. See, tags and the tag messages. But if you observe here, actually I created only tag message for this tag only, but I didn't create it for these two tags, but it is giving some message. What is this message?
That's commit.
Yes. If you're not passing the tag message, by default tags will take, okay, commit message as a tag message. So you can go and see git log one line. Here you can see revising process done. Okay, which one is this? See this one, latest. See production 1.1 tag, and this one production 1.2 tag. So Apple file. Where is the Apple file? This one. It is taking the commit messages default. If there is no tag messages, it will take default commit messages as a tag messages. But for the production 1.3 tag, I override that one. If you are passing, literally if you are passing the tag message, then it will override the commit message and it will print the tag message only. Okay. Here if you see, two tags.
Can we filter the logs with the by the file name, like rather than giving git log and then looking all these, like git log and then file name or something like that?
Yeah, yes, yeah. I told you, no, that also I showed you actually. Suppose if what are the files we have here? These are the files, right? So now I want to filter the log with this file. Okay, simple git log tag 1. So how many logs are matching with that file? So it will print. See, this is the first log. I think we created this file. This is a new file we created, and after that we modified the tech1 file, and after that also something we did.
Okay, because there will be thousands of commit IDs, right? So I think file by file name might be a little bit easier.
It's easy, more frequently we will use.
Okay.
Okay, so coming to the tags, here if you see the two tags, 1.1 and 1.3 tag, see while when I'm creating the third tag, production 1.3 tag, I didn't mention the commit ID. That's why if you not mention any commit ID, it will assign to the latest one only. Okay, so you have to mention. So in this commit, in this where you have to mention, let me go to this command where you have to mention the, here you can mention after the message you can paste the commit message, commit ID here. Okay, git tag name and the message, after the message space you can copy and paste the commit ID. Okay. Now, so these are the tags we have here, 3 tags. Now I want to delete the tag. How to delete? Git tag -d for delete. Okay, so file name is sorry, tag name is production 1.1. Deleted. Now give the git tag only one, 2 tags. Clear? Tags concept.
Yeah.
So by this, we successfully finished Git, guys.
So my understanding is if developers works here, so as our job, we will be mostly doing the admin stuff, right? Like logs and whatever.
Yes, operations. We will do all operations here. Sometimes, see, we will integrate with the developers. Okay, I told now already, developers, they know very well about the Git. Okay, we are going to support them sometimes we are going to work as a data entry guys. Okay, and all these things we will do.
Okay.
And if you take the other tools like Maven and all, they will not have idea. Okay, the developers, we have to guide them how it will work and how the process begins, everything. Okay. Guys, clear, everyone? Okay. Next. Okay, so next we have to start the GitHub, guys. Okay, GitHub is a web-based tool. Okay, we are going to run on web browser. Okay, so it's github.com is a website, web browser, and the Jenkins also, it is based on web browser only. We will run on browser only, Jenkins also. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so actually
But do we install somewhere on the backend and then access it from the browser, or like
yes,
typically? Okay.
Yeah, we will. It's like we have to register here. It's a github.com will be there. We have to register here. If you understand Git, no, Git and GitHub both are same only, guys, but little difference will be there. This is mainly we'll use for the backupping the repositories and pushing to remotely. So previously we are pushing to the central.git, right? If you see the central.git, we are working in money repository and we are pushing to the central.git. We are working in Darwin and we are pushing to the central.git, right? So end of the day, we are pushing to central.git. So this is locally, when the project is completely localized. Okay, at that scenario, we will go in this. Okay, this scenario we will use very less actually. Yeah, come on.
Oh no, I was about to ask you. I know in the central.git we cannot view, right? But in the backend, in the Darwin and Money, we can view the file names, right?
Yeah. This is not the backend. Okay, this is in your system, local system. We created this.
Exactly, in the local system.
Yeah, in our local system it is. So end of the day, we are pushing to central. Okay, this scenario. 1 minute, guys. Excuse me. Sorry. See, suppose I will tell you I will take. Let me put it in this way. Suppose we have an organization. Accenture is there. Suppose in
Bro,
India.
you have your mask on, right?
Sorry.
You have your mask on, right?
Yeah. So, okay. Suppose we have a organization. Okay, we have 10 floors organization in the Bangalore, India, Accenture. Okay, so if the project is completely localized, okay, at that situation we'll go with this. I mean, in the second floor you'll have the bare repositories. In the first floor you'll have the non-bare repositories. Users will be there. Users will work. All the users will work, and at the end of the day they will push to the bare repository, which is in the second floor. So how it will connect? Through the LAN connections it will connect. Okay, sure, there is an yeah, good. So local, complete localized, that this scenario we will use very less, guys. Why? Means nowadays the projects are not completely localized, right? The people are from US, people are from Canada, and from different places they are working. Okay, we need a remotely exchange of data. Okay, we need remotely everything. So that's why we will not use this scenario. 97% we will not use this. Very rare. Okay, but initially it started like this only. This is a standard process actually. Okay, now we will this will Darwin and repositories, it will not change, guys. It will same. Okay, now instead of pushing to the central.git, now onwards we are going to push to the remotely called GitHub. This is the main difference here. Okay, now we will push to GitHub. So one copy will be there with us in the money repository, and another copy we are going to push to GitHub, not to the central.git. Okay. So guys, I'm not starting actually today. So actually I logged in today to complete the Git actually. So we're done with the Git. We have to start the GitHub. It will take a 2-hour session to finish the GitHub. So we are in holiday mood actually. So we are planning to go out. Okay. So
Are you guys off today? Oh, today is okay. You already in Thursday, huh?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
You are Wednesday, right?
Yeah, we are Wednesday.
Night. Okay, evening. Okay.
Yeah.
So, guys, we'll wind up the session today. Okay. So even we are planning out. So we'll meet on Monday. What do you guys say?
That works.
Yeah, that's okay.
And from Monday onwards, regularly we'll go, guys. Okay. If you want, we'll take 1 or 2 Sundays also. Okay, to compensate these days. Actually, we planned Monday to Saturday, 1 hour 15 minutes, right? So 1 or 2 Sundays also will take to compensate this, and we will cover up. What do you guys say?
Unless somebody wants to go New Year party.
Yeah, that will be one day will be there.
We
Okay,
need
so
to end 2020 with a good note, so everybody should go party, man.
definitely.
But don't have too many beers on 31st night.
Oh, really? But I don't drink, guys. I do everything else, though.
Okay, guys. Once happy Christmas.
Thank you. You too. Enjoy the time with your family, man.
Yeah.
And see you guys Monday then.
Yeah.
Yeah, see you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Take care, everyone. Bye.